Hello, wonderful viewers, welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, we've got something truly incredible to share with you. If you have never thought of washing soda as a household superhero, be prepared to be amazed at what you're about to see in the upcoming video. Today, we'll be revealing 13 uses for washing soda that will give you astounding results. Stick around till the end, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our life-changing tips. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list, say so long to chemical-laden cleaners and make your very own eco-friendly all-purpose cleaner. You won't believe how effective it is. We'll walk you through the simple recipe and demonstrate its cleaning power. For our second TI, washing soda can turn your laundry game up a notch. We'll show you how to get rid of stubborn stains and make your clothes smell fantastic. Plus, we'll share a secret ingredient to enhance the results. Third is tackling a greasy oven. This is no fun, but washing soda will make it a breeze. You'll thank us later for this one. We'll show you a before and after transformation that'll leave you speechless. Fourth on the list is dealing with a clogged drain. Washing soda can help you avoid costly plumbing bills. We'll explain the science behind it and demonstrate how to use it effectively. Tip number 5 is to make your old upholstery look like new with a simple washing soda solution. No need to spend money on re-upholstering. We'll take you through the process step by step and show you some incredible results. Number 6 will help you say adios to tarnished silverware and hello to sparkling shine. Washing soda is the secret. We'll share a quick and easy method to bring back the luster to your silverware collection. Tip number 7 will help you give some love to your hardworking dishwasher. We'll show you how to clean it using washing soda, ensuring it runs efficiently and your dishes come out spotless. We'll explain why this is crucial for your kitchen. Number 8 on the list is to remove carpet stains. Spills happen, and when they do, you'll want to know this trick to remove carpet stains with ease. We'll demonstrate the process on a stubborn carpet stain and reveal the magic of washing soda. Tip number 9. Unclog the toilet. Yep, even your toilet can benefit from the magic of washing soda. It's a total game changer. We'll provide a step-by-step guide for unclogging toilets and share a few pro tips. 10th on our list. Dealing with unpleasant odors? We've got a quick and natural solution using washing soda. We'll explain the science of how it works and show you how to use it effectively in various areas of your home. Number 11 is for pet owners. Say so long to pet stains and odors once and for all. We'll discuss the challenges of pet stains and odors and provide a foolproof method to eliminate them. Tip number 12 is to freshen your fridge. Your fridge will smell amazing after you learn this simple washing soda trick. We'll walk you through the process and give you some tips for maintaining a fresh-smelling refrigerator. Lucky 13 is to clean your barbecue grill. Barbecue season is here, in some parts of the world, and we'll show you how to easily clean your grill using washing soda. We'll demonstrate how to apply washing soda to remove grime and grease, and ensure your next barbecue is a success. You've had a quick peek at 13 uses for washing soda that will give you astounding results. Watch our next video for the simple recipes to make the DIY washing soda solutions for these common household cleaning tasks. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.